Inishowen Engineering would be a subcontract engineering company to original machinery manufacturers. What we do is we bring in raw material, we laser cut it, gas cut it, machine it, bend it and weld it, and we're now going into the finishing and assembly of subcomponents. Our smallest component would be probably the size of a 10-pence piece, and then the largest component would be anything up to maybe 15–20 tons. A lot of the companies that we were talking to basically were telling us that we were too far away, but at the minute now we're processing 250 tons of material a week and shipping to almost every county in Ireland and some across the UK and a small bit to France. We've moved into a new factory, 165,000 square feet. Again, we've spent probably in the region of about maybe 19 million in machinery. I would see myself as an engineer more so than a businessman. I would tend to delegate a lot of the business side of it to other people. 90% of my time is spent looking for solutions to problems to try and make things better and easier to make. I mean, like if we were to look 5 years ago, 10 years ago, nobody would have predicted what was coming around the corner. So as the new technology comes, like the culture within the company is going to have to change. More training, it's a different skill set you're looking for going forward. I mean, like the best way for us to do that here is train people. The company as a whole would see that as a challenge. We tend to think here that there's no obstacle too big. I left school at 16, served my time as a plumber and then went on to pipe welding and pipe fitting, but it was all over Ireland working, so there wasn't much opportunity in Inishowen at the time, so I just said that I wanted to work for myself and I wanted to work in Inishowen. So it wasn't that I wanted to run a business, but I wanted to work for myself. Sure, there are tens of thousands of people a year coming to Inishowen, why would I want to leave?